Welcome to Piclite News. PART online exhibition starts April 11th to April 24th. We will send emails with a link, and please click in and register for visitors. You will find our virtual Piclite booth for PART 2020. All the product details and description will be presented with 360-degree angle, catalogs, and product video. Please log in during online showtime from April 11th to April 24th. You are most welcome to email or WhatsApp us if you have any questions or inquiries. Thank you.